to paint my nails because they have been this color for 24 hours and I'm tired of it. So I'm going to do this one. I'm also going to paint my toes. Don't look at them. So I'm kind of weird and I just washed my hair and I'm going to take another shower in a minute since I'm showing you what I'm doing this morning for my Pamper routine. I'm going to use them now. So I have the Skin & Company Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating, and then I also have the Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. Both from a BoxyCharm, because I'm a BoxyCharm hoe, so I am just putting the cleansing cream everywhere. I just spilled water all over myself. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these masks. I would usually use them before my makeup, but I think I decided I'm just going to take a bath after I do these and then do my makeup after that. Anyway, whatever. So I'm gonna start with this one. The brand is Wonder. Berry Antioxidant Mask, Sheet Mask. And then after that, I'm going to do the Wander Beauty. It's the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and they just go under here. How to use. After cleansing, use a toner. I didn't do that. Rest comfortably for 10 to 20 minutes and remove the mask. Okay, so I'm going to do the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask from Wonder Beauty. I'm gonna go get scissors. I'll be right back. Cool, cool. Apply onto clean, dry under eyes. Repeat on the other side. What? Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and discard after use. Whole new world. Okay, so I'm just going to get in the bath and then I will use what I always use, which is the Bath & Body Works Ultra Shea Cream. And that is my Pamper morning routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you would like to. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy face masks. I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!
So I haven't tried these face masks before. So basically we are going
into the unknown, into the unknown. I could really go for one of those like fat pazookies, you know?
like the cookie things in the frying pan. You just like eat it with a spoon and it has ice cream and like...
You know? Thank you, come again.